ito yung ilan sa mga techniques na ginagamit natin when creating motorcycle contents gamit ang ating Insta360 ONE X2. For this month, naka-promo si Insta360 when you get the ONE X2 and then the ONE RS motorcycle bundle. You can save as much as $45, halos 2,500 din na discount yan mga brother if you're going to purchase on their official store. At kung gusto mo naman makakuha ng libreng RS na lens guard, magkano rin yan? Magkano matitipid mo dyan? Gamitin mo lang yung code ko na Juan2022 or Juan2022. Yung motorcycle bundle mga brad, marami ng laman yun eh. Ang dami ng accessories, ang dami ng mga connections para talagang mag-match dun sa gusto mong shot. But ako, primarily, I use, syempre, dahil ako yung ONE X2 ko, and then we have the invisible stick. Yun! And ang favorite ko talaga is the motorcycle clamp. Ito. You can position this in any part of your motorcycle para makuha mo yung talagang swabing shot dun sa ride mo, sa motor mo, in my case, sa mga motorcycle reviews natin. First shot, front shot. So, attach lang natin yung motorcycle clamp on the handlebars, minsan sa mga side mirror. That's it. And then, lagay si Insta360 dito. That's it. Yan ang ating front shot setup. Next technique naman natin, at is actually personal favorite ko, is the drone shot. Usually, na-attach ko siya sa bandang likod ng motor natin, lalong-lalo na kung mayroong part na pwede tayong pagkabitan. So, ang kailangan natin is the clamp, the invisible stick, at saka syempre yung camera natin. So, syempre, just make sure na naka-attach yung ating clamp securely on the crash guard, grab bar. Once naka-attach na yan, then, kabit naman natin yung invisible selfie stick. Ito siya. And then syempre, huwag natin kalimutan i-attach yung ating Insta360 camera. In this case, I'm using the ONE X2. So nasa iyo as to how long you will set up the invisible selfie stick. So basta, according to your preference. Tapos, ang mangyayari niyan, ganito yung magiging itsura ng shot niyan. At isa pa sa mga shots natin is I call it yung mga specific shots. Let's say I want to focus on the shock absorbers, the brakes. So usually naghahanap ako kung saan natin masesecure yung clamp natin. Basta make sure that it's not movable para hindi madadamage yung part ng motor na yun at saka syempre yung Insta360 bundle natin. So in this case, meron ditong part ng frame ng motor natin ngayon. So dyan natin siya ilalagay because what I would like to view is the engine at saka part of it is yung performance ng shocks at saka yung brakes natin. So ito siya. And make sure that it's secure. Ayan, something na hindi movable dun sa motorcycle part mo. And then I would still use the invisible selfie stick with the Insta360 camera. And again, your preference as to how long you would set up yung invisible selfie stick para makukuha ka naman ng mga ganitong klase na shots. So Insta360 mga brother, ako highly recommended ko to. Hindi na ako gumamit ng ibang mga action cam lalo ng mga 360 shots natin. So go and check out their Lazada page, their website for you to order your own habang nakasale pa sila. Till our next video mga brad, salute!